Actually, nobody wants to have this illegal thing in any business, even in coal or all kind of business. No illegalities, and nobody enjoy that. It's just they don't have any other option. Lucky to say, I mean, lucky to hear, and it's good to, I mean, really proud to say that in this government, the MDA 1 and MDA 2, we got this opportunity where we can see that scientific mining now we have started, and we believe this will be the benefit for our people. And people will love to do scientifically so that to protect the environment, protect the life of the people, especially the labor. That is we enjoy. Think it might affect the outcome when it comes to profit, but in the end we have to contribute to the environment. So we are for this scientific mining.
So how's the situation now that it has started?
Waiting for the coal to get because they have to dig such a big hole. So that scientifically it's a long process. So waiting for the day, for the light of the day. As of now, is it looks challenging, but in there nothing is impossible.
But illegal coal mining, you believe?
Anything you do, if suppose today I do something which favor what to say, let me mention it in proper words. If anything I do for my living, for survival, I will not look it as a illegal. But to others, if it damage their property, that shows according to them they'll take it illegal. But as I've just mentioned, nobody wants to do any illegalities. They will not enjoy, and it'll end up somebody will be benefit by doing illegalities. But by doing it in proper way, nothing like it. All the what's supposed to earn, it goes to the right person. So here also nobody is enjoying that. If somebody is practiced till date, they have left with no choice. Otherwise, they will never do that. Why risk their own life? Why risk their money? Why risk everything? In the end, they also want to work with the government.